Hello, my name's Max Polonsky, and this is my website. Uh, I created a game called the Worth Game. This is the starting screen that you start off on. To start it, you click Start Game, and it brings you to the home page. This is the page that is pretty much the home for every button. So every button returns to this page unless the start over button. Um, there is a stock market. So it has three stocks with its price, the ticker name, and the amount of shares that you would have. It shows the money that you currently have. This box, you type in the amount of shares that you'd want, an integer value, and you'd also type in the ticker name, and then you would click buy to buy them, and it would say sale complete. It updates this. If I wanted to sell them, I could do the same. I just input them out and press sell, and then sale complete. If I say an invalid ticker name or amount of shares and I try to buy, it will give an error message. And to return back, I would just click home and it brings me back. There is a store page that lists all the items that you can buy. So the names of the items, the amount of items that you'd have, the price of the items, and for foods it also has the calories. Same thing with the stock market. You'd enter a value and then buy them by clicking buy or sell, and then it updates, and your money also updates. Go back. Next we have the casino. You can bet any integer values. So let's say I wanted to bet $100. I'd enter 100 and click bet. I lost. I can bet again. This is a randomly generated outcome. And yep. And next we have the house. So this displays the highest level items that you have. So right now I don't have anything, so it would display this for the house as homeless. This would be the car. You don't have a car. Your clothes are here. And it also shows the pantry, which is the food that you currently have. So I have bread right now, so it shows a picture of bread. And to eat, I would just click eat bread. Since I'm already at full hunger, it says I overate. There's a next day function that brings you the next day. It increases the day and it also gives you $25 per day. It also changes the stock prices randomly. So you could buy shares, and then as the days go on, you can increase your net worth. I will show. So I wanted to buy a cardboard box for the house. I'd buy one of these. Oh, I entered it wrong. I can buy this, and then my house would change. So now my house is a cardboard box. The net worth is the amount of money you have plus all the items that you currently own. So I own a cardboard box that's worth $100. So it takes my money and adds all the items that I own and makes net worth. This is a high net worth, so it keeps track of the highest net worth throughout the games. So let's see. So I lost all my money right there. So now I can, if I want to, I can click start over. It brings me to this page to make sure it's not a misclick. And then I can click yes, quit. It brings me to the start. And now I can start over with resetted net worth, money. The high net worth would stay the same. Let me do this. So right now I have 1,200 in my net worth. If I start over now, it still keeps it. So this would be displayed throughout the whole game, no matter how many times you reset. And that is my game. Thank you.